In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recurring events in Google Calendar. We all know how crucial it is to keep our calendars organized and clutter-free, and sometimes that means getting rid of those recurring events that no longer serve us. So let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to accomplish this. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Calendar website. Open your web browser and type in Google Calendar. Hit enter and click on the first result you see. This will take you straight to the Google Calendar main page. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your email address. Simply type in your email address in the provided field, then click Next. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter your password in the subsequent field. Again, click Next to proceed. Now that you're in your Google Calendar, locate the recurring event that you want to delete. Go ahead and click on the event. This will open a detailed view of the event where you can see all its associated details. In the interface, you should notice a delete icon, typically represented by a trash bin. Click on this delete icon to initiate the removal process. At this point, you'll be presented with a few options regarding how you'd like to manage the deletion of the recurring event. You can choose to delete just the specific instance of the event, all occurrences of the event moving forward, or all instances of the event entirely. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you want to remove every instance of the recurring event, select Delete All Events. After choosing your preferred delete settings, you'll simply need to click OK. This confirms your choice and finalizes the deletion of the recurring event. Your calendar will automatically update, and you should no longer see the event in your schedule. That's it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily maintain a clean and updated calendar. Keeping your Google Calendar organized not only saves you time, but also minimizes stress by ensuring you're only focused on relevant tasks and events. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital life.